Hey there, Roger Burnley here. I've been a vocal coach for more than 25 years, and people come to me for all sorts of reasons, but one of the big ones that I get is they want to develop tone in their voice. And what happens is they think that they don't have it. Trust me, everyone has it. The only reason you're not hearing it is because of something that you're doing physically that's cutting off that tone from coming through. And it could be even in the way you speak. So this can all be changed. So the tone is just a natural result of air. Being able to flow over through your chords very easily. I'd like for you to think of it that way. Just think that it's flowing over your chords. You're going to have less of a tendency to start to tighten up. So I'm going to give a little example here so you can start to hear the difference. If I were to do this exercise and really tighten up, the tone's not going to come through. So listen to this. Now, I'm really exaggerating it there, but I'm doing that for a reason because I need you to understand the difference. So now I'm going to let go of that restriction. So you can basically hear the difference in what's starting to come through. The main point of this is I need you to understand that even though you may not be hearing tone in your voice at this moment, you can still develop it as you start using your body more correctly. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, and you'd like a free singing workout that's going to give your voice more vocal range, better tone, and much more freedom, click this button right here, and I'll take you to a page where you can get your copy emailed to you for free. And if you're on your mobile device, you might not be able to click the button, so instead, click the link in the description to get the free workout. And as always, like, comment, let me know if there are any questions you have or anything you'd like to see in these videos. And don't forget to subscribe to Singing Made Simple, as there are a lot more videos on the way.